Y'all ready to flip these kicks? Let's go.
There's a whole lot of conversations going on right about now.
Yo, what's good everybody? This is Suhail back with Feelgood Threads. And today I'm going to show you guys exactly what we can do with a pair of reverse shattered backboard ones. It's a dead stock pair here. I'm sure you guys know about the collaboration with Nike and Virgil Abloh. It's coming to an end now, so because of that, I really doubt that we're going to be seeing any kind of a Jordan 1 collaboration with them anymore. Because of that, I'm making my own pair. Today it's going to be an off-white pair, but I'm going to add my own little flavor to it. We're going to be adding a Japanese import scene kind of a vibe to it, and the reason is because I was heavy into fixing up cars and putting them in car shows like Import Show Off and Hot Import Nights. So for me, I think that those shows are really what cultivated the Fast and the Furious and got that whole series really moving and got more of a mass crowd and audience into import cars and import scenes. So I dedicated this pair to Paul Walker. If you guys liked the custom, I'd love for you guys to hit that like button for me. Leave some comments below, let me know how I did on the custom. Subscribe to the channel, and if you haven't done so already, please check out shopfeelgood.com. That's where you can go to get different kinds of laces, stencils, zip ties, and all kinds of other accessories as well. So without further ado guys, let's hit that video.
These companies trying to sell me like I'm Barristan. Start with my craft, get it ghost like Kerrigan. There is no comparison, first gen American. We on the same side, Reggie Wayne, Marvin Harrison. I'm a young man who kinda old school, reminiscing, playing NES and on my cousin's Sega Genesis. Search me on the internet, you find that I've been in this. Spidey senses tingling, my nemesis is venomous. Peace to broke musicians making tips up on the promenade. Rich rappers still slaves, rocking chains, Amistad. Hindu say namaste, Muslims say salam alaikum. Lock it like a combination, rock it like a bomb with patience. Fighting off the occupation, writing off the cost of plan. Trying to build a buzz like I'm hyped up off the operation game. It's a hard road, say it's my asphalt. Blaming myself, I don't throw shade to pass salt. Less than millage blend, I just want 1 million bands. Cause bands make a dance and she say that you the man.